don't even exist anymore. Like, people have evacuated. The towns have completely burnt. Like, there's nothing left. It's wild. Let me see. I'm going to try and Google. See how many we have now. See how many, if it's changed. Let's do, how many active wildfires across Canada? So, and I did this search last time. Okay, so, holy geez. Okay, so, a couple days ago, when I did this search, I told you that there was 838 active wildfires. There's a post now when I just Googled that. Looked up came up for the news on YouTube, and it says there is 891. So there's like 60 more fires. 60 more fires from a couple days ago when I searched. Not wild. Thank you for the roses. Thank you for the heartmeat. The fires are insane, and the smoke is crazy. Like, it has been cloudy for days. It's cloudy, it's hazy, it's yellow, which is kind of wild. Like, in the morning when the sun's supposed to be rising, it looks like a zombie apocalypse because there's just this like yellow haze over everything. So it is wild. Yeah, 891. That's unreal. It seems like how is that even possible to have that many fires? You're having rain. Well, there is supposed to be so there's supposed to be a ton of rain, like today, tomorrow, the next day. Now it's not happening. Now it's pushed to like next week. But even like it just keeps the rain just keeps like it keeps getting postponed over and over. It's like, oh, a big storm's coming, and then there's like 5 minutes of downpour, and then that's it. The G bloke, first timer. Is this your first time on YouTube? No, it's not my first time on YouTube. Definitely not. But yeah. Outfit of the day. I mean, I'm wearing this right now. I'm not. Oh, look at the pretty butterfly necklace. Ooh. Oh, the 100% Mexicano. Okay. Be careful, use a 3M mask, please. The particles can affect your health. Thank you, Brooklyn. I mean, I was thinking about, I'm probably gonna go out fishing this morning, but I'm not gonna wear a mask. Yeah, probably do some fishing, maybe a bike ride later. Have to see what the weather's like. If it ends up raining, obviously that's gonna like throw a wrench in everything. I don't know if the sun will be out today or if it's going to be like overcast and cloudy all day. Kind of have to wait and see what happens. No, the chat is not pre-recorded. Rebellious, no mask. You can't fish with a mask on. But I will try and go on live while I'm fishing. I did that a couple weeks ago when I was out, and the internet was decent. I think it was a sunny day though. Sunny day, it was decent. Now, obviously it's overcast. I don't know what the internet's gonna be like, have to see. But I'll try, okay? I will try. And if I can't do live streaming, then even I'll just do like a little recording, and hopefully I can catch something online. It'll burn for a while until controlled burning, yes. I'm gonna try and do fishing live today. Good morning, good morning. Hello, hello everyone. Happy Saturday. Da Vinci. my hobbies. Anything outdoors. I love everything outdoors. Look at all the roses. Thank you. It's Soho. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so 57,000 likes. Amazing, everyone. Now, can we hit 60,000? Can you guys try and hit 60,000? I'm gonna go look for some of my, some of the lids and rings for the mason jars. Because I'm gonna get those capped and get them in the fridge so I can head out fishing. Here's one. Oh, yeah, that's gonna go back in the fridge. So for the mason jars, I am doing the same type of lids as if I was doing like pickling or homemade salsa, just because I want the rubber seal. I want to try and keep the air out so they stay good as long as possible. So these are what I'm using on the mason jars. Come on, you guys. Ah! Alert, alert. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Come on, you guys. Tap, like, share, follow. Okay, so far I have found 5. 5 of the 6 lids. I just need one more. Here we go. Here's a good one. Come on, you guys. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, like, share, follow, subscribe. Oh. I gotta fix that thing. That soft closure has seen better days. It broke, I guess. Doesn't sound very good. Yogurt back in the fridge. Almond milk. No, where's that gonna go? Here. There we go. So all that stuff's put away. Brooklyn, you truly are the best. Brooklyn, happy birthday. Yes, I will get the job done. Don't you worry about that. People ask the most random questions. How much is your house worth? Like, who asks that? You can, no, you did not. I am not even completing that sentence. Okay, guys, let's end this on a good note. I'm gonna get going. If you're new here, don't forget to follow, so then you'll receive notification if it works out that I can go live on my fishing. Oh, I thought you said it was your birthday. Oops, maybe not. Maybe I didn't read that correctly. Yeah, yes, I'm leaving. So make sure you're following and notifications are on. And then follow me so then you know when I go live again. You'll get notification, okay? Oh, thank you for the roses.